Here's a bunch of great hacks you absolutely must try out. Can't get a key on your key ring? Try using a straw. Easy. A broom handle is also useful for cleaning chores. This technique makes picking up dust and dirt on the skirting boards a breeze. A great way to clean the sink in an instant, even if it's really filthy. Wow! Water, dishwashing liquid, and rinse aid. A fantastic mixture for cleaning most surfaces at home. Here's a hack dedicated to all mothers. Simply wrap an elastic band around the pump nozzle to dispense just the right amount of soap. The secret to ensuring your dough always rises? Turn on the oven's light. The heat from the light will make all the difference. Here's why you should always bring a plastic basket with you to the beach. No more sand. Make dishwashing soap and baking soda tablets using an ice cube tray. Freeze overnight, and in the morning, you will have effective DIY degreasing tablets. Guaranteed effectiveness. It doesn't take much to make your kitchen look more beautiful. Let's check out an original way to decorate a roll of absorbent paper towels. First, tear off 2 sheets and set them aside. Then, fold the rolls end sheet as shown. Use the 2 torn-off sheets to make a cute little bow. Super cute!